Good morning everyone and welcome to another vlog. It is currently 8 o'clock and me and Frederick are almost ready to go into the car to go to the airport to pick up Jason because today is fly-in day. Forgot to pull out the camera and vlog while we're at the airport, but we picked up Jason now and now it is time to go to the shops and get groceries. As you all may know, normally fly-in days are really chilled for us because Jason just likes to chill out at home these days, so majority of today will be probably just chilling out. So most of today probably won't be vlogged, but that's okay because we're going to vlog tomorrow because tomorrow is my birthday. I can't believe I turn 25 tomorrow. I can't believe I turned 25. I honestly can't believe it. I swear I just had like my 18th birthday. I swear I just had my 18th birthday. But apparently I didn't. Apparently it was many years ago. And that's crazy that I'm turning 25. So it's been many hours and it's dinner time now. You haven't even seen Jason. Jason is there. He's in the household, guys. He's in the house.
Hello.
And it's dinner time, so I'm currently baking, doing the best thing I can do. We're having falafel.
I'm so excited. So at work, at camp, they have the same foods almost every night, or they have the same menus for like Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And I'm pretty sure it was Wednesday nights or something, they have falafels, just like a tray of falafels, and I crave it. And I think it must have switched the menus up because they didn't have them for the last two swings. And I was just looking forward to them. The name is like, don't worry, we'll have them when we get home.
But we're having a jam session at the moment because there is no TV on. There hasn't been TV on only once today, so we're really good with that. But we're having a jam session, so enjoy the next 10 seconds of us.
And calling me baby, why the sudden change? Say my name. You know when it's around you, say baby I love you. I got sexual healing. Oh, baby.
What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive.
You'll be riding on the horses, yeah, yeah. Way up in the sky, darling. And if you fall, I'll pick you up. You're the voice, try and understand it. Make a noise and make it clear.
So happy birthday, Mum.
Come sit here. What did you get?
Give her the book first. Give her the book first.
The book. Can I have the book? Thank you. Oh, come here. Oh. What is it? Oh, a birthday is just like a cat. You wake up one morning and it's right there in your face. That's such a nice card. Thank you.
Daddy.
What did you get me? What's this down here? Oh, okay, you want the wrap present. Wow! Ready? Can you pop this? I'm so excited! I've never owned Peter Alexander pajamas. Wow! And they've got sausage dogs on them. Oh my god, this is a bag? Fancy.
Okay.
Fancy. Ready? Oh yay! I love them. What's this? Oh, this is so cute. This is for Frederick. This is not for me, but it is so cute. But how did you find this? Oh, it's so cute. That's funny because Frederick absolutely loves trucks. So this is so fitting for him. Mug? Is it a mug? Yeah. It's a mug. This is a beautiful mug. Morning everyone, so it's my birthday today and I'm so happy with the presents I got. I was actually only going to get glasses because me and Jason decided that practical presents are the way to go and I need new glasses. So we're going to go get myself some new spectacles very soon, but I need to go get my eyes tested, so that's why we haven't got them just yet, but I already know the ones I want, so they will be coming soon. So a little bit later we've decided that we would go out for my breakfast. So we're going out to our favourite little cafe, which is like the best vegan cafe around the joint. Decided that we would come out for a walk because it's my birthday. I get to pick what we do today. So Jason picked the place. So we're at Point Perrin at the moment. And we're going for a nice casual walk along the shoreline. We haven't vlogged in a couple of hours. We're currently doing the dishes while Jason is.
I feel like every time you film I'm doing the dishes.
You're doing some kind of housework, probably. But yes, Jason's currently doing the dishes. Frederick's having his dinner over here. We haven't had dinner because we actually have my family coming over because we're having a board game night for my birthday and we're ordering pizza. Family aren't that far away. I'm pretty sure my sisters are popping over within the next like 10 minutes and then my brother and my dad are coming over within the next hour. So everyone's going to be here soon and we're going to have an awesome board game night all together. Am I alive? No. Come on.
Am I no more?
Yes. You could be super tall or super short. Depends on how big.
Varying height. Can I eat me?
Yes. Oh, no. Morning everyone, it is the next day after my birthday and I totally forgot to end the vlog and I just thought I would end it for you this morning because we're not really doing anything today. We're just kind of having a chilled day out. So it's best for us to just end the vlog right now. I had a fantastic birthday. It was such a chilled out, relaxing kind of birthday and it was so nice and I loved having my family over and having a board game night with them. It was just so different and so nice. So Jason's out for a run and Frederick is doing some colouring in, but I need to go have a shower because I stink and my hair really needs a wash. It is so oily right now, so it really needs a clean. I'm gonna head off, so I hope you all enjoyed the last couple of days and also seeing what I got up to yesterday for my birthday. I just want to say quickly thank you to everyone who gave me birthday messages yesterday. I was so happy with all the messages that everyone sent me and I'm so grateful for you all. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all your love towards me. It doesn't go unnoticed and I'm so thankful for you all. So I guess I'm going to pop off and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.